My third YouTube video I ever created, which wasn't very good, is still getting views today and has made me over $1,000 since it was created. So I think YouTube, when you combine it with affiliate marketing, is one of the best business models, especially for beginners.
How do you recommend people who are just starting a YouTube channel make money?
Well, you can't make money with YouTube ads yet because you most likely won't have 1,000 subscribers or 4,000 watch hours, so you will have to wait for that. And I honestly don't think starting a YouTube channel with the hopes of making ad money is a good strategy. So if you're new, there are a couple of ways you can make money. One is you can offer your services for hire. You can sell a digital course, you can sell merchandise, or you can start selling other people's products and make a commission, and this is called affiliate marketing.
Can you explain what affiliate marketing is?
Sure. So affiliate marketing is basically where you go promote other people's products or services, and if someone buys that product or service through you, you earn a commission. Now what you do is you go and sign up for someone's company's affiliate program, and then they give you a link that's specific to you, a specific URL. And if someone goes and clicks on that link, buys the product or service, you earn a commission. So that's a simple definition of what affiliate marketing is.
Why do you recommend affiliate marketing?
Yeah, I think it's one of the best business models, especially for beginners. It's very low cost to start. It's a small barrier to entry. You don't have to worry about creating your own products. You don't have to worry about product inventory, or you have to worry about customer service issues or technical issues. And you don't have to do any sales because you leave that up to the product creator to sell their product. All you do is recommend products you are already using. And I think affiliate marketing is a great way to make a passive income. My third YouTube video I ever created, which wasn't very good, is still getting views today and has made me over $1,000 since it was created. So I think YouTube, when you combine it with affiliate marketing, is one of the best business models, especially for beginners. But I want to make this clear, this isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. This isn't a get-rich-quick business. It's going to take a lot of time and a lot of persistence to be successful. And when I mean passive income, I mean you will do a lot of work up front, but once you produce a YouTube video, it will be there for anyone to find. And as long as YouTube's in existence, people can find that YouTube video, watch that YouTube video, and then click on that affiliate link. So that's what I mean by passive income.
What is the first thing you need to do to start affiliate marketing?
Yeah, so the first thing you need to do is you need to pick a niche. You need to pick a specific group of people you are going to recommend products to. So for instance, let's say you are into golf. You can dedicate a whole YouTube channel to golf. So for instance, you can do reviews on the best golf clubs, the best golf balls, the best training aids, best courses, etc.
Is there any specific niche you recommend?
Yeah, I recommend you pick a topic you are really passionate about or you want to become an expert in, because you're going to create a lot of great content about this topic. However, the big three niches are health, wealth, and relationships. So for instance, health being helping people become more healthy, wealth helping people earn more income, or relationships helping people develop or strengthen or grow a relationship. But those are too broad, so you want to go even deeper than those. So for instance, let's say you pick health. You could do a whole channel dedicated to helping golfers become more fit and stay playing the game longer with different core exercises, flexibility exercises, and other strength exercises. And being laser focused like that will help you reach the right people and help you grow your audience even faster. And there's a video that I recommend you go to watch that goes into picking the right target audience and niche. And I'll give you the link where you can put the description up top.
Okay, let's say you pick a niche. What's next?
Okay, so once you pick your niche, the next thing you want to do is pick products to recommend. And this really isn't that hard. Almost every service or product has an affiliate program. For instance, when we were filming this video, we talked about the lights, the tripod, the programs, and even the phone we were using. And we talked about how we went to Home Depot to buy the lights that we used to film this video. So Home Depot has an affiliate program, and we can give you an affiliate link to go buy those lights directly from Home Depot. You know, Amazon.com is one of the largest online retailers in the world, and they have their own affiliate program where you can promote just about any one of their million products that they have. So for instance, that tripod that we showed you is something we got on Amazon, and if you want to go buy that, we'll leave a link down below where you can go get that, and if you buy it through that affiliate link, we could earn a commission. Now keep in mind, when you're promoting these different products and people are using those links, it's important to realize that people, when they buy those products, they're not going to be paying any more than they would if they were to just go buy the product from the Apple Store or Amazon or Home Depot on their own. Amazon, Home Depot, whatever has an affiliate program is just paying people commissions, affiliate marketers commissions, because it's a lower cost to them. They don't have to spend as much on marketing because people are creating content promoting the products for them. But can I go use this computer and just show an example of how people can find an affiliate product really quickly? So let's go back to our golf example. So let's say I want to find what are the best golf affiliate programs. So I can just type into Google, best golf affiliate programs. Hit enter. And then you can see right here, there are a bunch of articles written that tell you what are the best golf affiliate programs. So for instance, this article here, One More Cup of Coffee, tells you that Golf Outlets USA is one of the best affiliate programs. So if I come back here, go to Golf Outlet USA, click on this. Now what I want to do is I want to search this website once it comes up, and then scroll down and look for affiliate. Right here, affiliates. And this is where you can go and join their affiliate program. And there are other websites that you can go to that have a bunch of other affiliate programs. And one of the most well-known is a website called ClickBank. And if I go to clickbank.com, I go to affiliate marketplace, these are just a collection of a bunch of different affiliate programs. So if I click on golf, you can see that there are all of these different affiliate programs that I can choose from. Probably the best way to pick a product is to promote products you already use. So if you're a golfer, what clubs do you use? What balls do you use? What driver do you use? What putter do you use? And chances are, if you go search on those specific companies, they'll have affiliate programs. So for instance, I play with Callaway irons. I have the X forged steel irons. And if I go search on Callaway, I bet they have an affiliate program. Actually, let's go check it out. If I type in Callaway Golf Affiliate Program, lo and behold, they have an affiliate program. And since I already use these clubs and I love them, I can do a much better job promoting these because, like I said, I already use them. I know who they're good for, who they aren't good for, and I can do a better product review of these clubs. And I don't recommend that you promote products that you don't actually use and love yourself because, like I said, it makes it easier to do videos on products you already use.
Pick your niche and pick your product. Now what?
Okay, yeah, so now that you have a product, the next thing you need to do is keyword research to figure out what people are looking for and what kind of videos you need to create. So you can create the greatest video on the planet, but if no one is searching for it, then no one is going to watch it, and if people don't watch it, you're not going to get any clicks on your affiliate links. One of the places I recommend is a free tool called Uber Suggest created by Neil Patel. So let me show you how we can use this tool to do our keyword research. So if I come over to my web browser, I can go to Google and search for Uber Suggest. And then if I type in Callaway irons and hit search, I can see that this has high search volume. There's approximately 9,900 searches per month for this term, Callaway irons. So that means that this is a popular term and this is a good program for me. This is a good topic because there's a lot of search volume. But the next step, especially if you're an affiliate marketer, is you want to make content for people who are ready to buy the product. So let me show you an example of how you can use this tool to help you plan your videos. So Callaway is a golf-related term. So if I do a search on golf, I can see that there are 450,000 searches per month on that term. But this is a really broad term, and anyone who is searching for the word golf is most likely not ready to buy Callaway clubs. So these people that are searching for this word are your cold traffic. Now, if someone is searching for Callaway clubs, there's 1,600 searches per month on this. They most likely know about Callaway, but might not know what kind of clubs Callaway makes. So these people are your warm traffic. Now, if someone is searching for Callaway Big Bertha, you can see there's 1,600 on this as well. Now, someone who's searching for this, most likely these people who are searching for this term are ready to buy, and they just want someone to push them to buy these clubs because more than likely they want someone to confirm their buying decision that these are good clubs. And these people are your hot traffic. And this is where you want to focus your attention, especially if you're trying to put an affiliate link in front of them. All right, now that you've used this tool to find out the different terms and the different kinds of traffic, you can use this information to create different videos. So for instance, if you wanted to create a video targeted to your warm traffic, you can do videos about Callaway clubs and what club is best for different skill levels of the golfer. You can provide a lot of value, a lot of great information for them, and you're not selling them on any particular club, but you're just guiding them through the different clubs that Callaway makes and the different options. And if they want to learn more, they can go click on your affiliate link that takes them to Callaway, where Callaway will sell them on the specific clubs. Now, if you wanted to do a video geared towards hot traffic, that's where you could do a video like a review video. So for instance, let's say you did a Callaway X Forged Steel Club review. So you know that people are searching, whoever's searching for that term, they're ready to buy. They just need to be pushed to that buying decision. They just want someone to confirm that what they think is a good club to buy is really a good club to buy. And you can provide that content, that you can answer that question for them with your video. So that's an example of how you can use this to create videos. Another way that you can create videos towards your hot traffic, you know, not only the hot or the reviews, but also like the how-tos or the best, like the best Callaway iron. These are people that are ready to buy. They're just waiting for you to confirm their buying decision. And then when they buy through your content, you will earn a commission. Another tool you can use is one called Answer the Public. And let me show you what that does. So if I come over here and go to Answer the Public, and let's come down here and let's do Callaway irons, hit search. These are all the different questions that people are asking about Callaway irons, and these are different video topics that you can do. So for instance, which Callaway irons are best for beginners? So that's a perfect video that you can do for your YouTube channel, and when people go and search for that in YouTube, you will answer that question, and hopefully if they are interested more in Callaway clubs, they will click on your link and go purchase it, and you'll earn that commission. Now, there are other tools that you can use that are paid for, but these two will get you started. These two are great for beginners because they're free. And all you want to do is build a long list of hot and warm keywords for your videos so you can get started.
That seems like a lot of work.
Yeah, it is a lot of work, but it's very important to find keywords that people are searching for, because you want to create videos that not only answer the questions or solve the problems that people are searching for, but you also want to make sure your videos rank well in the search results. Meaning you want your videos to show up near the top when someone types in the search term. So let me give you an example. Let's say you're at the driving range doing a review of a Callaway iron and you hit an amazing shot that hits the pin and goes in the cup. Well, you wouldn't want to call your video "Look at my amazing shot," because chances are no one is searching for "Look at my amazing shot." You would want to call your video Callaway Big Bertha Review, or whatever club you were reviewing at the time. And this process is called optimizing your videos, and that is a whole other topic unto itself, and I have another video that people can go watch if they want to learn more about it, and I'll give you the link that you can put in the description where people can go and watch that video.
Okay, so after they create and optimize their video, what's next?
Sure. Now you just want to create videos starting with your hot keywords and then your warm keywords, and you can also sprinkle in some cold keywords in there as well, because that will also cast a wider net and help you grow your audience. But make sure you are always making videos within your niche. So if you are in the golfing, you might do a video called "The Best Outdoor Sports," and obviously golf will be your #1 recommendation. But because golf is an outdoor sport, this makes sense. And if someone's looking for outdoor sports and they come across your video, see golf, then they might become more interested and want to learn more about golf. Well, you have a channel related to golf, so hopefully they go and watch more of your videos. But you wouldn't do a video on how to draw a cat, for instance. That just wouldn't make any sense for your channel.
How did you learn about affiliate marketing? Is there any course you recommend?
Yeah, there's a great course that I recommend, and I will give you the link that you can put in the description of this video. And this link takes you to a free webinar where people can go learn more about affiliate marketing. I also have another video where I do a full review of this affiliate course, and I tell you why I like it, why I don't like it, and who it's best for. So you can go check out that video as well. And we also have another video where we show you how we use Filmora Pro to shoot Dad Be a Man.